Hello everyone, welcome to Andrew Broussard Watercolors. Today I wanted to do a quick follow-up to the 616 or the 120 film to the 616 converter to fit inside the Brownie, the Kodak Brownie 616 camera. So these were, I think the film was the Fomapan 400, black and white. I used DF96, so it's a monobath. I don't think it's the best at processing film, but getting back into this stuff, having a single step with the processing is just a lot easier for me. So anyway, I just wanted to show you what the roll looked like, and since it wasn't so tight at the end, I wanted to show you what I think was some light leaks that took place. So I have a piece of glass. It's kind of dirty, I apologize, but I'm just going to slide the film underneath over a piece of paper. I experimented with kind of a time feature, kind of a 1 second time frame, and I think I had a little bit of shaking there. I was balancing it on top of another camera that was on a tripod. Not the best setup, so I need to probably build a little platform for it to sit on. So yeah, so those two right there were ones where I was playing around with kind of longer exposure times. This one shows some what I think is the film developing issues, where you can see those lines that are coming up. But considering that I am trying to achieve like an antiquated look with photography, and using alternative photography processes, I think that that might be acceptable and leave and allow like those different effects that I want. Here you can see near the end of the roll, dark around the edges, and I think that was from the roll just not being super tight at the end of the spool. And when I took it off camera, I had 1, 2, 3 lights shining directly on it. This is where I realized I had one shot left, and I was like, well, let me take a picture of the cats. And the cats were moving around, and I was also inside the art room. So I did a timed exposure, but I am not good at doing timed exposures, and I am not good at either the light meter on my camera and translating things over, like I'm using the light meter on the phone. And then the very end of the roll, you can see the light leaks with how loose it was. So I hope you found that interesting. I think I'm going to do some contact printing with the Van Dyke process today and experimenting. Let me know what you think down below, what you would like to see me do. If you want me to keep on doing videos about film and these alternative printing process experiments. And I will talk to you all soon. Y'all have a great day. Bye.